Good morning to every one of us. Good morning to the entire Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Our desire, our aspiration, our aim, our mission is to end poverty globally. Thank God for His grace. Thank God for the vision. Thank God for the visionary. And thank God for all economic developers and other community members who are supporting to see that this vision becomes full reality. And to everyone listening to me, if you are yet to come on board into the Kringle community, join us. You should not forget today by 2 p.m. West African time, we'll be having our broadcasters meeting. We thank God for every one of us that pray for the quick recovery of our ambassador Stephen Kofi. Thank God for good and sound health. So, broadcasters, let's come on board. And to every one of other people who want to learn how to do broadcast. And apart from doing broadcast, there are other educatory teachings. So come on board, join us by 2 p.m. West African time. The link is always in your Kneel Card back office under the meeting. You will see broadcaster meeting. Subsequently, by 3 p.m., we having our weekly meetings. Our weekly meetings, the English and other French and other languages. So let's come on board. That is where we share. That's where the ambassador of English share a lot of informations, especially the blog posts and other discussions to the community. And by 4 p.m., we'll be having our mass adoption training. This is a wonderful training that has never been the same since we started. Come on board. Come and meet with the creator of TBC himself, the admin. Come and ask your questions. Come and clear your doubts. And today's meeting will also be a special one. Why? Because we'll be talking and we'll be discussing with one of the leaders in the life force assurance. So come on board, come and hear for yourself, and come and let's share things together, let's rub minds together, and let's commit different things that is leading to our success, our progress, committing it together. So come on board by 4 p.m. West African. And don't forget, for all these meetings, you have credit for it. Yes. So come on board. Looking look looking forward to see you. And let me drop this one, a quick one before I leave you. Your network determines your net worth. Your network determines your net worth. Meaning that how vast, how robust your network is will determine your net worth. So let's go all out prospecting and let's share the abundance. Thank you. I love you all. As many who are yet to subscribe to this channel, like it and share to others. Thank you. Bye for now.